No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Oh, I did it again. It's fine. Scissors. Come on. Why? Why are you fighting with me? This rude. Thank you. Okay. 612, 612. Okay, we're almost done with this row, and then I might mock this up. I'm not sure. I'm thinking when I put us all together, the part that goes in the head is gonna have to be a little different, but I'm not positive yet how that's gonna connect. We get there when we get there, you know? Okay. 1, 2, 3.